how to add Cash App card to Apple Pay. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up a Cash App application on your screen first, and you should be finding this interface. Now from here, all you gotta do is in the bottom you should be finding wallet, dollar option. So select the second option called wallet. After that, here we will be finding a cash card section. So all you gotta do is scroll down. And after you scroll down, you will be given some options. So from the given options, select the option called Add Card to Apple Pay. The first option right above the round ups, go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to enter up your name and your card number that you would like to add to Apple Pay. All you gotta do is enter up the credentials and tap on next on the bottom right at the top right corner of your screen. And once you do that, you need to accept the terms and conditions. You may go ahead and fill it out and tap on agree in the bottom right. Once you do that, you may set the card as default card in wallet or not now. Let's tap on not now for now. And once that is done, your cash card will be added to Apple Pay. So that is basically how you add Cash App card to Apple Pay very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.